Hi everyone, my name is Mary and you're welcome back to Smart Skills Up TV. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to learn French, Spanish and German languages for free. Yeah, you heard me, all for free. Of course, there are different advantages to learning these languages. Say for instance that you are looking to travel to any of these countries that speaks any of these languages, it would actually be a good thing to learn the language before you actually travel, right? And if you're going to be learning these languages from a tutor, from someone who maybe offers it as a service, or maybe you're going to be taking a class, it's going to be costing you an arm and a leg. But this tool I'm going to be showing you would help you to learn these languages, any of these languages of your choice, for free at no cost at all. Another advantage of learning how to speak these languages is so that you can open more doors of opportunities for yourself. All right, so these days everyone is big on remote jobs and all that, but of course sometimes they ask you to indicate whether you know how to speak a certain language. All right, so learning these languages is going to be an added advantage for you for when such opportunities would come up. So I can't mention them all. There are actually a lot of advantages to learning how to speak these languages, either French, German, Spanish, or any of the other languages that you might actually want to learn. All right, don't go anywhere until you're done watching this tutorial, and I want to tell you that you won't regret it. And if you're new to this channel, quickly hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out when I post similar videos like this. And all I do on this channel is showing you how to make money in the online space, and also tools and resources that can actually help you, improve as a business person or as an individual. All right, so without further ado, we're going to be going to either our Google Play Store or our Apple Play Store to download an app called Duolingo. All right, so it's already downloaded on my phone, so I'm just going to open it. If you haven't yet gotten it, all you just need to do when you get to your Play Store is to type in Duolingo, and it's going to come out like this. All right, so you can see here it says learn for free forever. All right, so you're going to click on get started when you already have when you have gotten the account. So it's going to be taking you through the process of getting your account. All right, so hi there, I'm Do. Then click on continue. It says just 7 quick questions before we start your first lesson. Click on continue. All right, so here it says, what would you like to learn? For me, okay, so there are many languages here, as you can see. There is Spanish, there is French, there is German, Italian, Japanese, Chinese, Russian, Korean, Portuguese, and a whole lot more. So for me, I want to learn French, so I'm going to be clicking on French and I'll click on continue. All right, so it says course building. Get ready to join the 7 million people currently learning French with Duolingo. Isn't that amazing? Now it's going to be it's going to ask you further questions. It says, how did you hear about Duolingo? For me, I heard about it from LinkedIn, but I'm just going to click on LinkedIn because there is no provision for LinkedIn here, so I'll click on continue. All right, how much French do you know? I'm just going to say I'm new to French, even if I'm not exactly new to French. I've been doing French since secondary school, so I actually know about, I know some few phrases, but I can't string those words together. So I'm just going to say I'm new to French because I want to have like a refresher course, or a refresher, because I want to have a refresher learning process. All right, so I would say I'm new to French. For you, if you're not new to the language, you can select anyone that is applicable to you. All right, so I'll click on continue, and then it says okay, we will start afresh, and I'll click on continue. Then it's going to say, why are you learning French? So they give you a lot of options. It says support my education, connect with people, just for fun, prepare for travel, boost my career, spend time productively, and others. So what the option you're going to be choosing here, and everything you're going to be doing during this process is going to help them tailor the app to suit your particular needs. All right, so for me it's because actually there are so many reasons, but I'm just going to say boost my career. All right, so I'll click on continue. Then it says I'll keep you on track to meet your career goals. Usually I don't like to turn on notifications for a lot of app, but I feel that this is actually interesting and important to me, so I'll click on allow. And it will say Duolingo would like to send you notifications, and I'll say allow. All right, so for you, you might not want to, you might not want them to send you notifications, so you can choose otherwise. All right, so it says, what's your daily learning goal? For me, I'd like a 10 minutes learning goal. Then I'll click on I'm committed. All right, that's 50 words in your first week. Then I'll click on continue because I want to learn really fast. All right, then it says here's what you can achieve in 3 months. So it gives me a breakdown of what I can actually achieve in 3 months. It says converse with confidence. Amazing, interesting. It's something I actually want and I'm looking forward to it. Imagine that in the next 3 months I can actually speak French fluently. It's going to be adding to my credibility, my knowledge, and it's just going to give me a confidence booster, right? And then when there are opportunities for me to take up even a job outside the country, I won't hesitate. All right, so it says in 3 months I'm going to be able to converse with confidence, build up my vocabulary and develop a learning habit. So smart reminders, fun challenges, and more. All right, so I'll click on continue, and then here they'll say, where would you like to start? So I'll like to start from the scratch, and then I'll click on that and I'll continue. And it says it can be hard to stay motivated. They say it can be hard to stay motivated, but I'll click on continue anyways. So it says, so Duolingo is designed to be fun like a game. So what they are saying here is that the learning process is actually fun. So it's not some boring stuff that you won't, be interested in, doing. All right, so they make the learning process really fun. So I'll click on continue, and then it says our mission is to develop the best education in the world. Okay, that is gone. So here the learning begins. All right, so I'm just going to take few lessons, and then I'll leave you to go and start your own registration and learning process. All right, so you can see that this is really very interesting. Hey guys, if you're getting value from this tutorial, please smash the like button and also share with your friends whom you believe would be interested in getting this information as well. All right, so so we are here in the learning process. It says select the correct image. Okay, so it actually has where I can click to pronounce the word. All right, so I'll just click on this button right here, and what it's saying is on. So I know that on is one in French, so I'll click on it, and then you can see that it's actually found. Then I'll click on continue. Then it says select the correct image. So they actually tell you what it is, and then they tell you to call it out. So it says this is loam. All right, so loam means the man. So I'll click on the man, and I'll click on check, and they said great job. Then I'll click on continue.
Chat. Chat.
Okay, I'll click on check, and I'll click on continue. It says on. I'll click on continue, and I'll check. So that is how you go on and on and on and on until you have reached your goal for the day. So you can see that the learning is actually really fun, and it is something that you can actually do on your own without having to go to any tutor or paying heavy fees to learn the language of your choice. All right, so go on and try it, and I would like to hear your feedback in the next 3 months of how much progress you have made. Thank you so very much, and if you're yet to subscribe, please don't leave without subscribing, and I'll see you in subsequent tutorials. Bye for now.